Gemini Springs. I understand why it's closed now. Super flooded out here. This is actually the bike trail. Goes from here into there. And then the spring itself is actually up this way. But this whole area is really flooded. Let me see if I can get the spring. Yeah, this bridge is really low here. Oof. Go on it. I guess I can go on it. Oh yeah, there's some boards out. I don't want to do that. Oh, fishies. Hey, fishies. Look at you guys. Wow, you guys are huge. I don't know if the spring is this way. Spring maybe up here. Or maybe up this way. Actually, I think that is the spring. I think this is the spring. It's hard to tell. No one actually swims here. This is Gemini Spring. It has been closed to swimming for many, many, many years. I think because of bacteria or algae growth or something like that. But wow. Yeah, this park is in bad shape.